Hello to all. Today we will do one more topic of our English grammar, that is degrees of comparison. As we have already done with adjectives and its kinds, so it's an addition to that. Adjective means describing words. We are adding something to the noun. When we are adding something more to the noun, that is called describing the noun. That particular words are called adjectives. Some adjectives can be used to compare persons or things. बहुत सारे ऐसे एडजेक्टिव्स हैं जिनको हम persons और things के बीच में compare कर सकते हैं. So that those types of adjectives comes under the heading degrees of comparison. Means we are comparing the adjectives, and for comparing the adjectives there are 3 degrees. Let's understand these things with an example. You can see a ball on the screen. Write a sentence on this. Yes, this is a ball. This is a small ball. This is a orange ball. This is a big ball. Right? We can write. So we have added the adjective of quality to the sentence. This is a ball. Right. Now, there are 2 balls on the screen. One is of orange and another one is of yellow color. Now, compare these 2 balls. So, we can write a sentence like this. Yellow ball is smaller than orange ball. Or second sentence can be written like this. Orange ball is bigger than the yellow ball. Is bigger than yellow ball. Now here I have compared, यहाँ पर मैंने compare किया है 2 balls according to their size. One is big and another one is small. So I have compared with their size. Smaller than orange ball, bigger than yellow ball. So now in the next picture we have so many balls, isn't it? And there is the same yellow ball is also there. So if we have to do comparison of this yellow ball with other given balls, we can write this. This yellow ball is the smallest ball. Yellow ball is the smallest ball. अब ये जो yellow ball है ये smallest है, लेकिन जो available balls हैं उनमें ये सबसे smallest है. So I have used the word smallest. In the first sentence, this is a ball. और इसमें हमने adjective किया, this is a small ball. Small is the adjective. Now, in the second, when we have compared with 2 balls, then we have written this yellow ball. Yellow ball is smaller than orange ball. Small को हमने convert कर दिया smaller में, and we have added one more word, that is THAN. Then when we are comparing 2 things, we use the word then. So हमने यहाँ पर एक तो adjective में ER लगा दिया, and we have added one word THAN then for the comparison among 2 persons or things. और third sentence में हमने क्या किया, हमने मेंशन किया था येलो बॉल इज द स्मॉलेस्ट बॉल. हमने उसी स्मॉल एडजेक्टिव को वी हैव एडेड EST स्मॉलेस्ट सबसे छोटी एंड द वर्ड THE द. So remember the things which I have told you. In the first sentence there is no comparison, so this is a positive degree. Means there is no comparison. It can be negatives, smaller भी हो सकता है, bad भी हो सकता है, but there is no comparison. Second, we have compared with 2 things. So when we do comparison among 2 persons or things, that is called comparative degree. Comparative degree में mostly we will use the word, आपके adjective में we will add ER word and the word THAN then for the comparison. Or the थर्ड सेंटेंस में हमने यूज किया कि इज द स्मॉलेस्ट, दैट इज द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. सुपरलेटिव सबसे या तो टॉप पे है सबसे या तो बॉटम में है. इज द स्मॉलेस्ट सबसे छोटी है सबसे, बट इट इज अमंग द गिवन थिंग्स. इन बॉल्स जो हमें दिख रही थी उसमें दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट बॉल. ठीक है, और इसमें हमने वर्ड हमने वी हैव एडेड in our adjective small est and the word the. In the superlative degree we use the word the, the, and we add est to our adjective. So there are three degrees of comparison. One is positive, means no comparison. Second is comparative degree, comparison among two persons or things. And the last is superlative degree, that is comparison among many things or more than two persons or things. So let's understand few degrees of comparison. There are few rules. The first is simple, like we have to just add er or est to the comparative and superlative degree. हमारी जो पॉजिटिव डिग्री है उसमें हमने, जैसे कि अभी हमने स्मॉल था, तो स्मॉल में हमने जब उसे हमने कंपैरेटिव किया तो इट विल बिकम स्मॉलर, एंड जब हमें सुपरलेटिव किया तो इट विल बिकम स्मॉलेस्ट. तो हमने er और est ही सिंपल ऐड किया. दिस इज द सिंपल पॉइंट. फर्स्ट, पॉजिटिव डिग्री में वी विल ऐड er एंड est to make it comparative and superlative. Sometimes we will double the last letter of our positive degree. कभी कभी हम positive degree का last letter double कर देते हैं when there is the last letter is a consonant और उससे पहले वाला letter जो होगा वो होगा आपका vowel. Like big, big. Big is in this, G is consonant and I is a vowel. तो जब हम इसे comparative में convert करेंगे, it will become, we will double the last letter, it will become BIGG, and then we will add ER and EST. It will become big, bigger, biggest. Similarly, hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. The next point is when the last letter of the positive degree is E. When the last letter of the positive degree is E, then we simply add R to the comparative degree and ST to the superlative degree. Like safe. Safe, the last is E, so we will just add R, it will become safer for comparative degree, and for superlative degree we will add ST only, so it will become safest. Large, larger, largest. When the positive degree ends with Y letter, Y alphabet, so when the positive degree is ended with Y alphabet, so we will cut the Y to make it comparative. First we have to cut the Y and we will add ER for the comparative degree and EST for the superlative degree. हम Y को cut कर देंगे and we will add I, and as usual comparative के लिए ER, superlative के लिए EST. Like easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. And there are many adjectives for the comparison of degree which are totally changed, like good, better, best. We have to learn these things as it is. इसमें कुछ भी हम we are not using ER or EST. We are not adding ER or EST. Little, less, least. Bad, worst, worst. And there are many degree of comparisons which are remain as it is, and we are adding more and more to make it comparative and superlative. Like beautiful, We are adding more for comparative degree and most for superlative degree. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. So go through it thoroughly and understand the concept. We will meet again. I hope you have understood the topic and